To get the spur gear off, you don't have to take the tension screw off. You just have to remove the 3 screws here. And it comes off like that. Lost it. But yeah. That comes off. Your slip clutch is still in position, perfectly centered. Now you can work on your motor. Alright, first fire up, if we can say that. I still have the nickel battery I'm going to upgrade soon. Gotta set my trim. Set the throttle trim. There's water in the tires, so. Disassembling the shock. This is the bottom of the shock, top of the shock. Pull the spring down, take that off. Release your spring. The red mark always goes to the top. You're gonna grab a hold of this. Ideally, you want some shock pliers. If you don't have shock pliers, this will work. Get it through there. Twist it off. Oil. Push your piston up. Empty it out. Tuning. Tuning news. You can't see. I haven't got it cleaned off yet. See the 2 holes right there? Every shock kit comes with extras. There's 3 hole. 3 hole allows for the piston to move up and down faster to get a, I guess, a shorter or a faster shock, softer shock. But this is good for ours. It had the stock oil in it, which is a that I don't think it has a weight, but it's 30 weight oil. I'm going back with factory team 50 weight. I'm going to pull it all the way to the bottom, pull the piston all the way to the bottom, fill it up. Leave a little bit from the top. You're going to push your piston up slowly. Pull it down faster. It gets bubbles out. Get it again. Push it up slowly. Pull down fast. Bubbles will get smaller and smaller each time you do this. Don't bring it all the way to the top and suck air in. You're going to bring it all the way up just below the surface of the oil and pull back down. Bump it a couple times. Top it off. To the tip top. And then put the cap on. Torque the cap. Spring. Retainer. And there you go. A rebuilt shock. This is going to cushion the fall, or after a jump it's going to cushion it. It's going to spring back up, and you won't drag your ass on every jump.